English Listening Mastery, A2 KET exercises. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the realm of A2 KET listening exercises and practice tests. Whether you're preparing for the Cambridge English exams or just seeking to improve your English listening skills, this video is for you. The A2 KET listening test is designed to evaluate your understanding of spoken English in everyday situations. It's divided into 5 parts, each of which has its unique format. The entire listening test lasts approximately 30 minutes, and you'll hear each recording twice. 1. Stay calm. The key to acing the listening test is to remain calm and composed. Don't panic if you miss something. Remember, you'll get to hear each recording twice. 2. Predict the content. Before each part starts, quickly read through the questions to get an idea of what to expect. This helps in anticipating the answers. 3. Note-taking. While you're not allowed to have the script, you can jot down important points on the question paper. 4. Understand the accent. The speakers may have various English accents. Familiarizing yourself with different accents can be beneficial. 1. Part 1. In this section, you'll listen to 7 short recordings. Each recording is followed by a question with 3 pictures. Your task is to select the picture that matches what you heard. 2. Part 2. You'll listen to 1 longer recording. This part involves matching. You'll have to match the list of options to the people or things you hear about in the recording. 3. Part 3. This is a longer conversation. You'll be required to complete gaps in a written summary based on what you hear. 4. Part 4. You'll listen to a longer recording involving 1 or multiple speakers. Here, you'll have to answer multiple choice questions. 5. Part 5. In this final part, you'll listen to another longer conversation. Your task will be to identify the speaker's attitude or opinion based on a list of options provided. The best way to master the A2 KET listening test is through consistent practice. Familiarize yourself with the format, listen to a variety of recordings, and always review your answers. Over time, your listening skills will significantly improve. And that wraps up our session on A2 KET listening exercises and practice tests. We hope you found this video beneficial. Remember, consistent practice and a calm approach will be your best allies. Happy listening, and best of luck with your exam preparation.